lahat mga kabaliwan, and welcome to my D1 Aquascaping and Gardening playlist. I do have one question, especially to all my fellow creative friends out there. So they say that artists experience depression every time they finished their work. Do you experience it or not? Please do tell me in the comment section. As for me, I actually experienced minor depression every time I finished a certain project. It's like there is a question, so what's next? Now, to battle these feelings of emptiness, I always make sure to think on something new to start on, just to avoid being idle and not doing anything. Today, I just want to talk on something many of us face. How to battle depression, fear, loneliness, and sadness. These feelings can be overwhelming, but there are ways to find peace and joy even in the darkest times. One powerful method I do is the art of bonsai. Bonsai is the ancient Japanese art of cultivating miniature trees. Offers a unique and therapeutic way to cope with these feelings. When we engage in bonsai, we are not just shaping a tree. We are also shaping ourselves. Each tree, each wire, each careful watering is a step towards mindfulness and self-discovery. I am so fortunate to have a backyard full of plants and trees. And it is easy to hunt for a nice tree and train it into bonsai. All I do is cut the best part of the tree, transfer it in a temporary clay or plastic pot, water it and cover it using a plastic bag to keep in the moisture. Make sure to keep it away from sunlight until it's starting to grow leaves. Then that is the perfect time to remove the plastic covering. Place the tree under the sun and water it every day. And wait for a few months to let it grow healthy. And before we move on to our project, hi, I am Aris Arriesgado and my passion is making different projects and showing you how I do it. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button for more updates. Remember, it's one day or day one. You decide. Let's battle depression by doing the art of bonsai. Life can sometimes feel overwhelming. We all face moments of darkness where sadness and fear seem to consume our every thought. Loneliness can feel like an endless void, and depression can make even the simplest task feel insurmountable. But remember, it's okay to feel this way. It's part of the human experience. The key is finding a way to navigate through these emotions and emerge stronger on the other side. Whether you believe that there is a God or universe, it's up to you. If you believe in God, always put your trust in Him. In bonsai, we learn patience. These trees take years, sometimes decades, to reach their full potential. Similarly, our journey towards healing and happiness is not instantaneous. It requires time, dedication, and lot of self-compassion. As we care for our bonsai, we learn to care for ourselves, recognizing that growth, no matter how slow, is still progress. Through bonsai, we also discovered the beauty of imperfection. No tree is ever perfect. Each has its own unique twists, scars, and bends, and so do we. Embracing our imperfections and understanding that they are part of what makes us beautiful is a powerful step towards self-acceptance and inner peace. Fear and loneliness often stem from a feeling of disconnect. Bonsai brings us back to nature and reminds us that we are all part of something greater. The simple act of tending to a tree can be grounding and meditative, helping us reconnect with the world around us and with ourselves. So if you're feeling lost, if sadness, depression, fear, and loneliness are weighing you down, consider giving bonsai a try. Allow yourself to be present in the moment, to find solace in the quiet care of a tree. Through this beautiful art, you can nurture not only a living piece of nature, but also your own soul. Remember, it's okay to seek help and to talk about your feelings. You're not alone in this journey. Together, let's find strength in the little things, in the simple acts of love and care. And let's grow stronger, one bonsai at a time. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay strong, stay hopeful, and keep growing. God bless you.